Hello guys and welcome to another video of Indian All-Rounder. In this video I am going to show you how can you make a printer object using the print writer. This can make your programming quite easier because it is tough to write system.out.print each time, as it is the basic syntax of printing something. This will work similar to it, but it will be quite easier because it will take less time to type it. So here we will start by uploading java.io and java.util for our printer and scanner. Then we will write the class name and its public static void stringers. Then we will write the statement or the syntax to insert a new printer, which is print write with capital P and W. Then its name. Here I have taken a P, so it could be simpler. You can take any variable, any string, anything as the name. I have taken P. You can take the name like printer, out, system, anything. Is equal to new. New is the you can say we use new to make new things or new objects. Then the print writer is the constructor. New was our command and print writer is our constructor, again with capital P and W. Then system.out comma true. So this is the syntax for print write. Then scanner first is equal to new scanner. Then the first thing I'm going to do here is enter the day in number. So for this will be printed because it is p.println. P was the name, so here also we will write p then .println and whatever you want to write. So it is quite similar as the system.out.print command, but only difference is that in there you have to write system.out, here you only have to write p.println. So then I use case 1, case 2 and cases. Let's compile it, and there is no syntax error. Now we can try running it. Enter the day in number. So I want 7 and it's Sunday. So that's all what this video is all about. Thanks for visiting my channel. Please like and subscribe.